In this video, I will demonstrate how to install DriveStrike on an Android device in Shared Management Mode, which is also known as BYOD or Work Profile Mode. To begin the installation, navigate to Settings on your device and locate the Google Services section. Next, tap the Setup and Restore option, which will present a second option to set up your work profile. From this point forward, simply follow the prompts on your screen. Your device will ask for permission to use the camera, and you should scan the QR code provided on your DriveStrike account located under the Install page. Once the QR code is verified, tap Accept and Continue and simply follow the prompts on your screen. Ideally, as a DriveStrike administrator, you will have already set up all of your security policies and authorized any web and private apps allowed to be used on the device. Once the process completes and your phone is out of the setup process, you will find your Apps menu divided into a personal space and a workspace. Your workspace will include all the pre-approved apps to be used in this environment, including any enterprise apps and private apps. The last step in this process is to register DriveStrike. Click on the DriveStrike Agent app and make sure to allow all permissions when prompted. Also, make sure the Allow All the Time option is selected in the Location Permission screen. Finally, tap the back arrow and you should see a clear confirmation of registration. If you have any questions about the installation process or management of a device under the Android Enterprise mode, give us a call at 877-519-0010 or send us an email at support@drivestrike.com.